Hello dear students. Today in our computer class we'll learn input and output devices. The set of instructions that we give to a computer is called input, and the devices that help in giving instructions to computer are input devices. The results that comes after processing is output, and the devices that help in getting results are output devices. Let's try to understand with the help of example. Making orange juice using a juicer. Children, when we put oranges in the juicer, its input. Juicer makes juice from oranges is processing. At the end, when we get to orange juice, its output. Let's try to understand with another example. Grilling a bread using a toaster. Children, when we put bread in a toaster, its input. Toaster starts working, its processing. At the end, when we get toast, is output. Children, you must have understood the concept of input, process, output after going through these examples. Now, let's have a look at some input and output devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, and web camera. A keyboard is an input device which is used to enter words and numbers into the computer. A mouse is an input device which is used to draw pictures and select objects on the computer screen. It's also called pointing device. A web camera is also an input device that is used to capture photograph and store it in a computer. Some commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, and speakers. A monitor is an output device which is used to display the results on its screen. It's also known as visual display unit. A printer is an output device which is used to get output on a paper. Speakers are an output device. They are used to give output in the form of sound. You can listen to music and other sounds from the computer with the help of speakers. Children, today in our computer class, we have done input and output devices. Hope it's clear to everyone, children. Thank you.